Hello, this is Jer, and I'm playing Shapes 2. This is the second episode. In the last episode, I was complaining about how slow the conveyor belts went, and I realized, oh, I can upgrade them, and did upgrade them, so they're going a little bit faster than they were before. My goal today is to do two things. One, make it go even faster, and then unlock the copy-paste feature. I guess there's tasks and milestones. And upgrade. Actually, with upgrades, is that the same thing as like clicking there? Yeah, okay. It just kind of takes you to different sections of the menu. Anyway, yeah, this is what I upgraded last time. And what my goal is today is to get another one. So I guess there's this concept of how many a minute that go down a conveyor belt. So I want to go apparently from 90 to 120. 90-degree clockwise rotator, 45. Oh, this also is going to increase the rotator. Okay, interesting. I'm favoring, I have 2 points now. I could spend it on cutting speed and stacking speed. I don't know whether this makes any sense, but I'm like, I can double up, triple up buildings and that, but I want my belts to go faster. The other thing, if I go to, where do I see, said something about blueprints. That was in like, here, boom. Blueprints. I'm assuming that's basically copy and paste. If that's the case, I want that badly. Oh, and it looks like, actually, okay, I didn't realize this. I left my game in a state where all I need to do was make this little shape. So boom, okay, we'll do that first. Shows up the milestone here. Okay, think. Okay, here is squares. Take that out. I want to... Okay, now it's 4.5. Oh! It's an odd number. With equal upgrades... Required building... Okay, that I wasn't expecting. With equal upgrades 3. With equal upgrades... I don't know what it means by that. Whatever, let's move on. So... My thinking is if it's 4 point... I need 4.5 to get like a full belt. I mean... I guess that I should round up. Otherwise, I won't quite get a full output. We're going for this. If I split this, and now, okay, this I just need 2. That gives me that, and then I cut this again, 4.5, so I'm going to say up to there, go boom and boom. Now I've got my individual squares. Oh, and this is where I need the stacker. And this, I think this was in Shapes 2. If you stack something, okay, I've got a theory. Do I keep it? I should just keep that. Okay. Let's take this and have this go up with my up button. Have that go there. Now, I'm actually curious. If I click on this, does it show me the object that I get or will get? No. Actually, why is that? That's a bit interesting. I don't have you do have stuff flowing, right? Oh, whoa. Oh. Let's fix this. Now, do we have something? No. Okay, all this stuff here I don't think we want. Oops, I need the multi-select. Let's go like that and that. Oh, okay, hold on. Several things are going wrong. This is one. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so we're going to need to rotate one before we stack. And I'm hoping that if I did that, instead of having a sort of like a towered thing, I'll get the same like layer. But let's try this out. Yep. It's almost a little confusing. For some reason in my mind, green should be the input and red should be output, but whatever. Let's do this. We have output, it's same. I don't understand. So yes, I definitely want faster belts, but that's coming just by the... Oh, I need to rotate more. That only... Oh, I get it. This rotates one way. Let's do this. We're kind of running out of room. Nope. Okay, so I'm double rotating. So if I kind of look at this from this perspective, that kind of looks right. That this there should go there. And if I go to the final, boom, we done it. We did it. Mark complete, I guess. Awesome. Now, if I had to copy paste, which actually I think this is going to lead me to getting the copy paste, I just copy this and set up another one. Do I build another setup so that this can go faster and just get it done? Or the other thing is I could just let it run. I'll just let that run, let it do its thing. And let's concentrate on my other goal, which is making the track. Oh, I see. There's building decorations. Oh, labels. Okay. Processing. Yeah, it's that there. I really want that as well. And that you get by research points. And there's this thing called tasks. Actually, these ones don't look like they're too bad. I'll need another stacker, though. And okay, here. Let's concentrate on this one. Circle and a circle. My circles are here. I want to cut it. Oh, this is basically what I want, except for I want it cut. Question is, do I need to rotate? Let's try to work this out before I paste anything. If I have a cutter and it says it cuts the west half, let's orient ourselves north. If I were to cut this west is already gone anyway. Let's see if I were to do this, it's going clockwise, right? Yeah, that would work. Let's go boom and boom. So now that's basically, yeah, and then if I were to cut the west half of this, that's exactly what I want. And I need 5, technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go boom and go boom. And now it shows this green. So that would work. And I could just let this sit. But there's also this guy here, which is like a double square. Oh, boom. Like, look at this. Okay, if I do a cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just going to get me faster rolling conveyor belts all the sooner. Okay, Love the fact that it shows you what the output's going to be in advance. Love slash, I almost wonder if that makes it too, I don't know. This is a weird thing here. And like a tower, a 3 level. How many levels are there? I'm hoping there's just 3. Okay. On that one. Okay, so it's saying that that's empty. Empty. What's empty mean? Empty. Okay, I don't understand that, but what I think I need to do, I'm pretty sure, is to get another set of stackers. I'll need 9. Could technically, if I wanted to compress it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, yeah, of course, just match what I've got there. Have this go up, have this go merge. So at this point, wait, no. I'm assuming the way this works is whatever is on top gets dropped. Oh no, wait. Yeah, wait a minute. I think that's okay. Now I'm going to steal from here. That's going to slow my input. But I'll address one thing at a time, Jared. One thing at a time. Okay, so that has delivered us what we're looking for. The other thing I mentioned is that slows this input. Though, do I care? There's only 140 of those. And I don't know whether... Oh, I need some way of figuring out, and it's super obvious to me while I'm looking at this, which ones are being used. I would say clearly... Oh, I was going to say this one's not being used, but actually... It's just being used for... Oh, because... Oh, I see. I don't know whether this makes sense or not, but if I go up and go down and then merge here, I think I'm making a mess. Yeah, just making a mess. My thinking is this path is going in and it's like trying to feed these guys, and if there's excess, then it comes down here and merges. In fact, I probably could have just kept it high and then brought it over there, but anyway. All right. Yeah, I can definitely see copy and paste having huge values. The question is, now do I just leave my game and walk away for a bit and come back? Or is there anything else? Oh, there's more sort. Oh. Okay, I did not know that. Why don't I do this? Why don't I just like preload the stuffs? Oh, vortex shape indicate whether you background green, background correct, flag. Oh, this might tell me blueprint shape challenge difficulty only. What? Purplish star. Okay, gray background. The shape doesn't serve any specific purpose. I think I've seen that before. Green background, correct shape delivering, which is what's going on right now. Flag, you delivered. Oh, I remember seeing the flag, the checkered flag. Orange lock, correct, but... Oh, so it's going to show orange if I'm technically correct, but I guess it's not giving me points. And then the purple star, operator level shape, keep delivering. Don't understand that. Blueprint shape challenge. Okay. Don't understand that one. Where was I? I'm going over here. So I'm thinking, let's just preload. What would be the harm? There's no cost to making this stuff. So I'll do this. I'll do this. That. And that. And then I can start pulling circles if I need circles. Hold on, what's this? Unlock. So we are at 4. And I want to get to 7 for an upgrade. That would be awesome to get. Make my conveyors go all the faster. Boom, boom. Boom. Okay, so this is going to allow me to multitask. Okay, so I'll send this in here. So I've got circles, and I basically just doubled the circles. And oh, apparently I'm not pulling all the circles from, or yeah, circles from here. Oh, what did we do? What happened? Just a sec, just a sec. Okay, so there's that. Unlock another 2, 6. Okay, we're close to getting faster belts. What could I let's target this like bullet shape. It's like a square with a half circle. So it's a square. So we'll pull one of these guys in. Now it's a no, what am I doing? I need a cut, and for cuts I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go like that. So that's making that. Then let's turn it. Whoa, what's going on? What happened there? I'm just trying to. Okay, I guess I need to just. So I need 2 of these. Oh, cool. Actually, if you don't... Oh, that's neat. I didn't realize that. If you don't have a track, it still tells you the output. That's the top. Can I just put these side by... Okay. Okay, so this is what I want. It's at the bottom. And then I want this... Hold on. Well, that was easy. Oh, I didn't even have to build this thing. All right, just before I do this, I'm almost certain I'm going to get belt speed because that's what I want. But I can... Trash, rotator. 3rd building floor. 3rd. Oh, gosh. Overflows... Splits the conveyor belt, preferring the forward direction, whatever. Oh, that's cool. So, 90-degree clockwise swap. I have no idea. Let's grab more speed. Let's just do this with sheer speed. We'll come back to some of those other stuff, I'm sure. All right, let's just finish the project that I've got. So we're making bullets, and maybe combine the bottom of our bullet down there, and then we need. I guess it's not really a bullet, is it? It's a half bullet. I don't know. So either way, we're gonna need a circle, right? So this circle here is. We'll need a cut, clearly. Let's go down this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go boom. And technically, I could go this direction, right? Wouldn't be anything wrong with that. Okay. Now I got to orient myself to the north when I'm using the cutter. Because we want to cut again. So I want to get this right in my mind. It's this, we're pointing north. So yeah, I can't, well, yeah, we just cut the west. So that's why the west part's missing. If I were actually, do I need to even build it for me to show? Oh, that's cool. Even before I build it, it shows me what's going to be there. Okay, if I were to do this and then cut So I need 2 of those, effectively. And then if I cut this, yeah, I need 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Keep going that way, and boom. Then I get my, not quite what I want, though. Let's just need to, we need to turn it twice. So hold on, let's think about this. If I put this, okay. With that, yeah, okay. And then we need a stack, which effectively, if you got 2 things, let's have, actually, hold on. I look at this side by side. Oh. Okay, I need to turn this one more. Oh. Okay, okay. I'm going to have to figure this something out. There's this concept of north. Yeah, okay, because now if I'm starting to build stuff like this, and then I build stuff like this, I have to then be aware that those things may. Oh, wow. Okay, all right. Let's fix the situation. I just need one. And this is the. Can I turn in the other direct? No, it's just that. There's no way to configure this. Actually, hold on. Hold on. Do I need to, what would that do? Oh, boom. Okay. This is some thought's going to have to be done here afterwards. Okay, so 12. I guess I did just upgrade that, didn't I? That's going to have that whole, like, floor thing, so let's back off. So we need 12. 1, 2, 3. I wish it had some sort of count to say how many. Does it? And I just can't see. No, not quite. 4 and 4, so that means I need 4 more. Let's do 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Okay, and then we'll feed this. Maybe I shouldn't have. Okay, 1 has to be up and 1 has to be low. So I'll use my up button. Go boom, 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 boom. Go down. And then, okay, and it shows me that this is correct. My half bullet. Yes. Okay. All right. Well, we thought you might need this. Yes, you can now copy and paste. Okay, prioritize milestones first. We recommend prioritizing milestones first and only doing the side tasks while those are being delivered. In this way, you can avoid necessary waiting times and remain efficient at all times. Okay, I don't know why, but okay, okay, that's probably enough for now. I just want to spend the rest of the time learning blueprints and then see if we can make ourselves a little bit dangerous. We thought you might need to copy and paste parts of your factory, but not the messy ones, please. Okay. And then it's got new tasks. So then we work on space platforms. That's going to be another day. Control J. I'm probably going to need to keep. Let's envision that I wanted to copy this. Control J is such a weird key mapping. Select an area. Oh, select an area first. Okay, I've got my selection key mapped. That I do have mapped. Okay. then Control J. Or can I just press that button too? Oh, I could just boom, paste that. And then if I want to get rid of it, can I delete something? Hit the trash button. Okay, that's another way of doing it, or right click. Okay, let's do the unlock. Cool. So now let's do this. Let's just do one more little of these tasks with our new ability. I'll see if I can get that mastered. And so the idea, I've got this shape that's in a really annoying location. Can I, so I want to take this and stack it. Okay. This is just going to be weird until we figure this out. But yeah, the idea is if I want to copy something, I can first select it. And then I'll map buttons. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take a second to... I feel like the copy button is going to be used a lot. Okay, so I have mapped the copy button, and then I had like a crazy idea. I was originally just going to copy like a little section, like any one of these things, and then paste it in. But wait a minute. We've got this as our output right now. And I want the same thing, rotate it twice. And then we're going to stack that. But I thought to myself, whoa. What if we did this? Take this out. What if we copied this whole thing? Please tell me there's an undo button. Thank you. Let me try this again. What if we copy? So I'll select, hit my new copy button. Okay, done. And then we map the input up like that and down. This. Okay. And then go, we need to jump and get this side by side. Okay, so right now we've got that, and we do a tilt, or turn, rather. We need two of them. That would be, I would need to do a turn twice, right? So if I go boom, I can put them side by side. I can go like that and out. And then I want, okay, and then let's apply the general copying. Oh. I kind of think what I was doing and what I did in the other game, Shapes 1. So I had a section of the map where I would have stuff I would go to copy. Okay, let's start that process. Anytime I want a stacker, maybe we need like standardized way things go into these little mini compartments. So let's say we've got, so we need 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have everything go up from the bottom and then in from the bottom and out from the top like this. Kind of make that the standard, if you will. And then what if I did that? And that's just sitting there unused. And I will go grab that when I need it, such as now. Hit the copy button. All right, and where were we working? I did a whole massive... Oh, over here, over here. I mean, it's so close, but... Okay. I can't. Let's just put that right there, sure. And then I just need a map. You've got one of those. Go up. Boom, you get one of those. Go down. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. And that is going to deliver us this radar-y looking item. And I forgot to... well, yeah, I did notice this. I upgraded the speed. So the clockwise rotator, I guess still you only need 2. Cutter, now you need 6. I think that was 3 before. And 12 of these guys. But yeah, hold on. Let's just... Okay, extractor? Oh yeah, no, dumb. That's this. I was like, I think that's a new building. No. Whew. All right. Well, we have blueprints. The only thing I mean, I'm assuming we can. I guess that's the whole idea of whatever space platforms are. But I want to get kind of. I wish I had like a little panel somewheres where I could just build a few things that I want to come over. And what I do is I just go over, grab, copy, bring components in. Anyways, yeah. I've got blueprints, finally. Didn't have that before. And my belts are even faster. Just before I go, where will I want to go next? Oh. I can't go any... Oh, no, I just need 20. I'll need to decide... Do I want to spend all my energy in maximizing the speed? Maybe. But these are new buildings. All right, I'll investigate those as we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you next time playing a little Shapes 2.